New to Wednesday. We got the Ingersoll 119 Max long barrel air hammer. So my Ultra Pro finally kicked the bucket after 18 years. So made a bit of investment. I've always wanted a long barrel, like IR tools. So let's give her a little try. See how she gets this burger off. Well, she definitely hits way harder than my Ultra Pro. It's pretty stoked. So anyways, this thing was actually pretty cost effective. I got this with the die grinder for about 320 bucks. And it came with a whole set of bits. So, there you go. New power hammer in the shop.